in today's knowledge series, I've got Rashmi with me sitting next to me, and she, by the way, is a topper of her class in the second year MBA program. Isn't it
First
true?
year.
In the first year? All right. So, Rashmi, how are you doing today?
It's fine.
You're very fine. Now, let me know how did you plan for MBA as a career option for yourself?
Actually, I had done my plus two with science. From that time only, I was interested in administrative field. I liked the managerial skills that I used to see in corporates. So I was very much interested to know and to learn those skills. That's why I joined the BBA course.
Okay.
And when I was in my final year BBA, I started preparing for MBA. And then I took admission in the Regional College of Management for my MBA course.
So apparently you were very clear while you were still in class 12 that you were going to make a career in
Yeah, I was
MBA.
clear from that time that I'm going to join BBA and then MBA.
So the other thing which would have come to your mind would be which branch you're going to take. There are so many options to take in MBA program. How did you decide on that?
Actually, from my very childhood, I was very much interested in mathematics.
Okay.
I got good marks in mathematics even in my matriculation. That time also I was topper of my district. And then in plus 2 also I had done my plus 2 from science, maths. Then also I was very good in maths. So I decided to take my specialization in finance. And here we have dual specialization. So I decided to take another specialization in HR. So here I have taken finance and HR as my specialization.
That's very interesting. Finance and HR, they look little, different from each other. So how did you decide on such a combination?
I decided this combination because I know that I am strong in maths, so I can take finance. And I was very much attracted towards the administrative and managerial skills that HR people have, how they manage with people, how they interact with them, what are the qualities they have to interact with their employees, how they manage them. That's why I decided this combination.
So, you're a topper in the first year of MBA. So, were you one of those who study a lot?
No, that's not the reason that I study a lot. I give my full attention in my class. Whatever teachers teach them, I give full attention to it. And then I give very less time to my studies at my home. What less time I give in extracurricular activities like reading newspapers and interacting with people and learning other skills like we have our personality growth classes. Then focusing on those, I give more time.
So, your short-term career option, obviously your options are very wide. Let me ask you a little a question which is for your long-term career. Where do you see yourself in next 5 years to 10 years?
I would like to see myself in the middle management cadre of any good banking sector company down 5 years.
Okay. So, so you are already sure that you want to go in the banking sector,
Yeah,
per se.
I like banking sector.
Okay, so does your college provide you enough insight to make a decision so early in your life, or
Yeah,
you would rather
here we
explore?
have our mentoring class where our mentors help us to think about our career, which industry we want to select, and especially which organization. They also try to give us some basic information about these companies and then make us take decision regarding this organization where we want to go.
So have you tried to explore a little bit about some other sectors also besides banking?
Yeah, I have tried in like petroleum sector, petroleum sector in a company like BPCL, IOCL. I have researched about that, and actually I got some information. Presently there are not vacancies, but in future, whenever they have vacancies, I would like to try in those sectors also.
I see. So which means that you might go to some other sectors to broaden your
Yeah.
horizons, but you eventually want to land up into banking. Okay, so did you get a chance to interact with the banking industry while you were studying that?
Till now, I didn't get any opportunity to interact with banking sector, but during my SIP, I got an opportunity to interact with managers there and the employees in that organization.
What is SIP by the way?
That is our summer internship project,
Okay.
which we do at the end of first year. That is essential part of our curriculum.
Thank you very much for sharing your time and good luck for your career.